Hello everyone, you're welcome to Finalizing Mathematics. Here we have a problem before us and I'm going to take my time to deal with this just for you to understand. So we have square root of x plus x over 2 equals 12. Okay, this is a simple problem, but it can be confusing if you do not pay attention. Okay, one of the most important steps is the first step. So what are we going to do? Take this to the other side. Okay, so that we have square root of x to be equal to 12 minus x over 2. This equally means that we should make square root of x the subject, and that is what we have done. Now, let's look for a way to remove the square root from here. But before that, I can find the LCM of the right hand side. If I want to do that, then I have x alone, root x alone, and it's equal to 2 multiplied by 12 is 24 minus x. Then this will be over 2. Okay, so from here, what again can I do? I can square both sides. And I'm going to square both sides because I needed to remove this, right? So that this will follow it. But then the whole of this also has to be squared. Now we have our x alone, and it's equal to 24 minus x over 2 multiplied by 24 minus x over 2 as well. And then it's simple from here. Okay, so let's see how I'm going to multiply this. So we have x here already, and it's equal to 24 multiplied by 24, it's 576. Then 24 multiplied by negative x, that will give us negative 24x. Negative x multiplied by 24, that will be, okay, we can have this in brackets so it will not be confusing anybody. So we have x multiplied by negative x multiplied by 24, and that is negative 24x again. Then negative x squared, because we're having negative x and negative x, to give us positive x squared. Then I have this, the whole of this will be over 2 times 2, and that will give 4. Once you have this, just cross multiply so that we have 4x to be equal to 576 minus, if you combine this, put these two together, you have 48x, negative 48x, then plus x squared, okay, on the right. But what if we write this first? Okay, if we do that, then I'll be having x squared minus 48x, then this becomes minus 4x, then I have plus 576, and everything is equal to 0 because I brought all of them to the same side. Now we have our x squared minus 52x plus 576 to be equal to 0. And then by looking at this, you'll be thinking, what number do you use to get what number do you use if you want to factorize? Because it's going to be cumbersome, it's going to be a little bit difficult. Use the formula method, right? And for the formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus, we have b squared minus 4ac, then everything here is over 2 multiplied by a. A is 1, that is the coefficient of x squared. So we're going to have x to be equal to, b is negative 52. So negative will give us positive, and I'm having 52 over there. Then I have 52 plus or minus. Then I have b is negative 52 to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied by 1, because a is 1, then multiply by c. Our c is 576. So this is going to be large numbers, right? So whatever we have, we divide by 2 times 1, and that will still give 2. So our x from here is equal to, okay, so we have 52 here, plus or minus, then negative 52 squared will give us 500. Okay, that will give us 2700. Okay, we have 2704. Yeah, it will give us 2704. Then we have minus 4 times 1 times 576 is giving us 2304. So here I write 2304. Then the whole of this is divided by 2. From here we have x to be equal to 52 plus or minus, then open this, 2704 minus 2304. 0 will go with 0, so that means we're having 400. 4 will go with 4, we'll be having 400 over there. And then this is divided by 2. Now, do not divide 52 by 2 yet. So our x is equal to 52 plus or minus square root of 20 is square root of 400 is 20. So the whole of this is divided by 2. And from here, 2 can now go there, so that we have x to be equal to, very quickly, we have 26 over there, then plus or minus 2 into that, we are going to have 20, right? So we have 10. 2 into 20 is 10. Now, what does this mean? It means that x is equal to 26 plus 10, or 26 minus 10. This is what it means. So that our value of x will be equal to 26 plus 10 is 36, or 26 minus 10 will be 16. So these are the values of x from the equation. But it is obvious that these two values of x cannot satisfy the equation, because both of them are positive. Now let's confirm. Here we have the original equation. Now one of the values of x is 16, right? Let me work with 16 first. So we have square root of 16 plus 16 over 2. Will this give us 12? Square root of 16 is what? 4. Plus 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8, and this is giving us 12, and it's 12 on the right. So we are very correct to pick x as 16, right? Now let's go back to the final value. So from here now, it is obvious that this does not satisfy the equation, but 16 does. If you love this video, subscribe to my channel for more.